Tell me, what advice do you have for someone who is just starting to trade in forex?
I think it's extremely important to have a plan. Forex market moves extremely fast, and it is that speed which compounds the need to have a plan. And if you want to use the analogy of building a skyscraper or even a house, you need the architectural plans first. And if you do not have them, you will build a disaster. So you need to have a plan. Things have to be thought about first. We highly recommend opening a demo account to learn the software and to practice your trading. Use the education we provide, but you definitely need a plan and know what you're trying to accomplish. Obviously, everyone wants to become profitable in their trading, but it really is important to understand that it takes a lot of time, a lot of practice to get there. So if you have a structured plan and utilize the education resources that we provide, you have a very good chance of starting down the profitability path.
Why trade forex over other financial instruments?
That's a very interesting question. There's a lot of benefits unique to forex. The ones that you hear most about are the powerful liquidity, the 24-hour trading, but I think there's a little bit of a deeper issue there. I think that in today's economy, where social media and other aspects of breaking news at rapid pace, forex is the best way to trade the news. There's so much going on, right now with the euro or the Greek crisis, or there's always some sort of something going on. Whether it's a tsunami, whether it's something else, there's always things across the world that affect the price of individual currencies. And because of the sheer size of the forex market, it gives investors the best opportunity to strive at being a profitable trader.
Clearly, foreign exchange is one of the fastest growing retail markets now. Where do you see the industry heading?
It's another excellent question, and I see the industry heading to even more rapid growth. One of the most interesting things to me about the forex market is that it's truly a global market. And if you look at a country like China, where there are now 100 cities with a population of 1 million or more, there are new markets emerging all over the world. And there is new technology emerging at the speed of light. I really believe that the technology and the speed at which news is acquired by individuals, you and I might, for example, be able to understand and digest the news as quickly as a large institution. And that's very new now, and a lot of it's because of Ren and Twitter and Facebook and other social media elements. So I really believe that it's going to continue to grow in new undeveloped markets as they have the access to the news that used to be reserved primarily for large institutions. And I think that's a very exciting and unique opportunity, and I really look forward to it.
Investor education is important. So what's your approach at FXDD?
Well, our approach to education, I believe that it is the most important thing, period. Our customers are our most important asset, and our education to them is the most important thing we can do. We have a sister blog, forexlive.com, which gives traders an opportunity to interact. We're creating sort of more of a social environment because trading is very isolated. A lot of times it's the man or woman alone at the screen, and God knows what hour of the night. So it's very important for them to feel like there is someone to reach out to. With forexlive.com, we've created an opportunity where there is that back and forth. Another thing we're doing is we're launching a program called Masters Live, which is we go to various cities. We're starting in the US, but we'll go globally, where we teach seminars in a face-to-face setting. And then lastly, what's very important is a continuation on that live sort of one-on-one training, if you will. We are revamping our webinars right now to give our retail clients the opportunity via the internet to have a one-on-one or small group dialogue with our traders, so that they can really understand and ask the questions. And I think the better we are at engaging our retail consumers in that way, the better success they will have in their trading and we will have as a firm.
FXDD has obviously grown significantly over the last few years. What's been driving that growth?
I think that what's been driving that growth is a couple things. And the first and most important is the world is getting much bigger. We know that. The population is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And there are emerging markets that seem to come up every day. But at the same time, the world is becoming smaller in the fact that anything that happens in far reaches the world can hit my Twitter in my Twitter feed or your Facebook or something in 5 seconds. So even though the world has become this huge place, it actually feels smaller with technology. So I really firmly believe that the technology that we are experiencing and is growing and is growing and is growing is a huge driver in the retail forex industry. For FXDD, our growth has come obviously from this overall trend, but I think particularly from our ability to deal with our clients. We strive very hard to provide excellent service for them. Most of the people, I would say almost all of the people that deal with clients on a regular basis are traders themselves. So we get our clients. And I think that's really important as a firm, to understand what makes our clients happy. So I think, to answer your question, the trends globally and our unique ability to have excellent client services and a great relationship with our customers across the globe has helped us, really grow at an expanded pace.
John Corbett, thank you very much.
Thank you.